Some people earn good money, but guess what? They blow it all as well. So I earn 5k and I spend 5k. So what have you earned? You've earned zero, nothing. Yeah, I earn 2k, I spend 500 a month, I say 1500, I'm earning more than the guy that's earning 5k. It's not about status here, guys. It's about what you can, put behind you, later buy assets, and that will feed you. So that's the way it goes, bro. That's what we got to do.
That's some real facts, and you've touched on some really important points about you've made 5k and then you've spent 5k, so really you've made nothing. If you've made 5k and you budgeted for your outgoings to be around 1,500, you would have 3,500 left.
Yeah. It's all about expenses. Control your expenses, control your habits, make wise choices. There's a party over there, £10 a drink or a cocktail. Now I'm buying £10 for a bottle of vodka and having it around his house or my house. Make them choices, guys. You want to go out to the cinema? Guys, come on, 99p for a pack of, sweet popcorn or something like that. A nice 2-litre bottle, yeah, £2. Yeah, Pepsi Max. Put Netflix on. Let's put a movie on. That's what we're spending the night in. You got to understand that. The boys got to understand, but the women need to understand that and support their men out there as well and say, look, I'm okay with that because we're building something for the future. We're going to have kids in the future. We're going to have a family. We don't want to repeat the same things that are happening. So control your expenses. More than controlling your expenses, it's all about your emotions. Control your emotions. Your wants, what you want, what you need. You don't push them emotions to the side. I've got to do that first. Enjoy it later. Otherwise, as I say, you work and pay for material goods, or you build assets and you let that pay for material goods, and live like a king. So make your choice, guys. Make your choice. Because I'm telling you, I got the formula. We got the formula here. That's what we're talking about.
And that's what it's about. Platforms, building our own platforms, ownership. And I'm a person who really believes in ownership. If I can't own it, I'm not interested in it, because I understand the value of owning what I have, whether that's the masters to my records, whether that's the clothing brand, whether that's my media company, wherever it may be. It's about having ownership and using the time that you've been given on this earth, because we don't have a lot of time, and making sure that you use it effectively. Which brings me on to my next question. How can you, if say you're on a 25k a year, say, salary, or for example, if you've got money that's laying around that maybe you don't know what to do with it, how can you use that money to invest, or how would you go about it if you've never had a property before, if you've never bought a property? What advice would you have for first-time buyers?
Yeah, so there's two biggest games in the world. First one is property and the other one's investment. I'm already in one of them and I'm learning about the second one. If you've just starting out, guys, property can be daunting.